Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone supports two SIMs. Most phones list dual SIM or eSIM capability in specs. Once confirmed, power down the phone to avoid damage. Open the SIM tray and carefully place each nano SIM in its slot with contacts facing down. After sealing the tray and powering on, go to Settings, the Network or SIM Management to verify both cards are recognized. This step prevents lost signals and ensures you can proceed to assign roles for calls and data. Once both SIMs appear, assign roles so the phone behaves predictably. Choose which SIM handles mobile data and which handles voice by default. Go into SIM Management to label each SIM, like work or personal, so you can quickly choose during outgoing calls. Make sure to set network preferences such as 4G/5G per SIM and toggle roaming options if you travel. Finally, set the default SIM for messages and, if required, enable conditional call forwarding between lines to avoid missed calls. Finish by testing each line. Place a call, send an SMS, and browse the web on the data SIM to confirm functionality. Once done, make sure both SIMs maintain signal and that the phone switches to the chosen data SIM. If a SIM doesn't register, toggle airplane mode, restart the phone, or install any carrier settings updates. These steps often resolve registration issues. If problems continue, swap the SIMs between slots to isolate hardware issues, or contact your carrier for provisioning help.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.